y equals x minus 3 squared plus 2. Can you guys see that okay? Okay, what is my vertex at here? Good, positive 3, positive 2. So my AOS is what? X equals 3. Perfect. Is this going to open up or down? Up, because my A value, which there's no A there. So what number is that? 1. My A value is positive. So if it opens up, is it a maximum or minimum? Minimum. The maximum or minimum value is just that 0. Oh, what is the maximum or minimum value? Do you know? It's just your vertex again.
So,
yeah.
Do you have Elijah Sterner fill out the hall pass report to STAD?
Sure.
Thank you.
Thanks. Elijah, let's go through the rest of this real quick, and then I'm going to have you fill that out. Who? Oh, she asked me. Sorry, that's my fault. My fault. Okay, what's my y-intercept? I plug in what for what? 0 for x. So if I plug in 0 for x, I'm going to do 0 minus 3, which is negative 3. What's negative 3 squared? Positive 9. Then positive 9 plus 2 is how much? 11. Let's plot these 2 points. Over 3 up 2. Over 0 up 11 would be 1 above. Now, I need one more point in between 0 and 3. What point do you guys want to do so I can get a good graph of this? Sure, we can do 2. 2 comma. Okay, 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. What's negative 1 squared? Positive 1. Positive 1 plus 2 is 3. So we point it over 2 up 3. Now, remember, my AOS goes through that vertex point? Yeah. And then I'm going to mirror image them. So this is 1 away from the AOS, so there's 1 way right here. This is 1, 2, 3 away, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 away, and I have a point there. Now I can easily make my parabola and make it look nice. With 2 points, you can't always make a good parabola. That's why we need the 3 points on the one side, so we can get 2 points on the one side plus the vertex to get 2 points on the opposite side. So here's what you are going to do today. You're going to finish 18 and 19. Once you're done with 18 and 19, you are going to bring both of these papers up to me, because this should already be done from yesterday. This, you only have 2 problems to do today. You're going to show me those. I'm going to mark you off. Once you've shown me those and I've marked you off, you're just going to go into Schoology and see anything that you have a low grade in or something you haven't done from all of Unit 4, and you're going to work on that. If you're done with all that, then you have time to work on something else right now. Any questions?